Hey y'all, before I take these month-old spring twists out, I want to show you 5 of my favorite styles. So let's hop right into the first style. I'm going to start out by sweeping the front half of my hair over to the left. I'm taking the first 2 rows on the right side, pulling them towards the crown of my head and securing it with a bobby pin. And that is it for the very first style. A very cute and simple, easy way to wear your hair down. Style number 2, again, I'm going to sweep my hair over to the left side, grab the hair from the right corner, pull it towards the crown, and secure it again with a large bobby pin. Now I'm going to section off a few rows from the middle and put it away. Next, I'm going to take the hair from the left side, and I'm going to do the same as I did on the right side, pulling it towards my crown and securing it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to sweep the hair from the middle section over to the left and create a fishtail braid. Now if you cannot do a fishtail braid, it is more than okay to just go with a regular plait. I'm going to use the fishtail braid to create a pompadour by folding the braid up and securing it with a large hairpin, and then I take the very end of that braid and I tuck it in so that it's not visible. Next, I'm going to take a scrunchie and put my hair into a low ponytail. Then I'll grab a few spring twists and wrap it around the base of my ponytail in order to hide the elastic band. And that is it for number 2. Instead of pulling all of your hair to the back, this is a very creative and stylish way to wear a ponytail. Style number 3, I'm going to start out by tying off the front middle section of my hair. Using the remaining hair on the side, I'm going to create 2 large 2-strand twists. Now I'm going to take those 2 twists, tie them together, pull the ends to the very back and secure them with a large bobby pin. Now I'm going to pull and tug on the twist to loosen them up a bit, remove the scrunchie, finger comb my hair, and voila, there you go, a very cute half halo braid style. Style number 4, using a knee-high stocking, I'm going to put all of my hair up into a high ponytail. Using a few spring twists, I'm going to wrap them around the base of my hair to hide the knee-high stocking. Now I'm going to use a scrunchie to gather all of my ends. Once I tie those ends off, I'm going to roll and tuck it to create a large bun, and then secure it with a hairpin. And this is how I always create my mega bun whenever I have braids in. Very easy way to do so, and without having to struggle to gather all of your hair. Style number 5, just as we did in style number 2, I'm taking my hair, sweeping it all the way over to the left side, grabbing the hair from the right side, pulling it towards my crown and securing it with a bobby pin. Alright, sectioning off the middle section and putting it away. Taking the hair on the left side, pulling it towards my crown and pinning it down. And again, I'm going to take a scrunchie and put all of my hair up into a low ponytail. Y'all, I gotta pause for a second. Check out my son. He always tries to sneak into my videos, but I really can't be mad at him because he's telling y'all to give me a thumbs up. Instead of braiding the front section, I'm actually going to take it this time, roll and twist it away from my face, and then again shape it to your liking and secure it with hairpins. Now this time we're not going to leave the hair as a ponytail. I'm going to take my ponytail and split it in half and create two large 2-strand twists. Now I'm going to take the twist on the left side, wrap it around the base of the ponytail clockwise, and secure it with a few hairpins. Then I'll take the twist on the right side and wrap it counterclockwise around the base of the ponytail. And that is style number 5, a very cute and simple updo that you can wear for any occasion. These are 5 styles that can be created in under 5 minutes, and they're so easy to do that anyone should be able to achieve them. I would love to know which of these styles was your favorite, so hang tight because I'm going to show you all 2 more pictures of each style. So check that out, and then down below leave in the comments section which one you like best. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I will see y'all later. Bye.